Hello and welcome to Sestari, where we're all about creating delicious and wholesome meals that bring families together. Today, we're going to show you how to make vegetable stock from scratch using scraps. It's not only a flavorful base for your soups, but also a great way to save money and avoid the excessive salt and preservatives found in canned stocks. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the star of the show, your vegetable scraps. You can use peelings, stalks, and leaves from vegetables like onions, carrots, celery, leeks, garlic, chard, tomatoes, and bell peppers. But wait, there's more. We're taking it up a notch by including some non-traditional stock ingredients like apple peels and potatoes. These add a unique flavor to your stock. One word of advice though. Avoid scraps from cabbage, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, or any vegetables with overpowering flavors. You want a balanced base for your soups. Before you start, ensure that your vegetables are clean. Give those carrots, potatoes, apples, and other items a good scrub to remove any dirt. Cleanliness is key. And remember, the vegetables you use should be fresh and not rotten or moldy. Quality matters when making stock. Once you've gathered your scraps, store them in an airtight bag or container in the refrigerator for up to a week. If you plan to keep them longer, freezing is a great option to prevent waste. Now let's move on to the fun part, making the stock. You'll need 4 cups of vegetables and 8 cups of water to make 2 quarts of stock. If you're using only vegetables, simmer the stock for about an hour. But here's a tip. If you have any meat scraps or bones, don't hesitate to add them. It'll add extra depth of flavor. Just be prepared to extend your cooking time to 2-3 hours. Strain and discard the vegetables, leaving your homemade stock. It's a fantastic way to elevate your soups, gravies, and sauces while using up scraps that would otherwise go to waste. So next time you're cooking up a hearty soup or a savory stew, remember the wholesome goodness of homemade vegetable stock. It's a true kitchen essential that brings families closer, one delicious meal at a time.